What the Almighty wants and doesn't want, and has instructed and hasn't instructed, and the messenger has instructed and not instructed. What was the claim of belief for in the first place? And remember, we believe that revelation was sent in order for us to be able to lead the best life in terms of quality, with the challenges and the hardships and the tests that are going to come in our direction. The Almighty will continue to keep us afloat and keep us happy and content and smiling all the time. And this is why the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, no matter what difficulty and hardship he went through, he always thanked Allah. It could have been worse. He was always grateful to the Almighty, and he never complained to the Almighty about the hardship that he was in. So we ask Allah Almighty to grant us from His goodness, and Allah Almighty definitely says that those who believe, male and female, and those who do good deeds, male and female, Allah will grant them a good life.